The TabLock Baking Screen from American Pan is the first pan to provide bakers with a quick and simple option for changing out baking screens. No rivets, no drills, no metal shavings, and no need to ship to a service center. Instead, the TabLock design features a patent-pending fastening system that uses two unique hand tools to remove and replace the screen quickly, easily, and right in your bakery. TabLock baking screens feature precisely engineered tabs that securely lock into corresponding channels in the pan frame. The design is simple, strong, and efficient. Here's how easy it is to replace a baking screen. First, use your proprietary removal tool to easily release all tabs from the pan frame, and then lift the screen off. Next, attach the new screen to the frame using our installation tool. Just tap each tab with a mallet to lock it in place, and the process is complete. Watch as we remove and replace this baking screen in real time. With TabLock, your pan is complete and ready to use in under 2 minutes instead of days or weeks. TabLock, the intelligent solution for your baking screen replacement needs from American Pan.